Sorry guys, per the usual, I talk too much. So as I was saying, looking at the anatomy and physiology, apparently they have cool things about their teeth, they have cool things about their brain, they have behaviors that are similar, and because they are similar, that's how they got that name. And it also means that they got these things from a common ancestor. So it might be of close relation to these extinct guys that lived a long, 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 long time ago. So you're going to have to do some reading, you're going to have to do some digging, but I know that you can do it, okay? I expect text messages if you are stuck. I expect you to be asking around to see if anyone else can help you, and two people cannot do the same organism unless it's been approved by me. So not everyone can do a house cat or the leopard or whatever. Be creative. I love you very much, and I can't wait to tell you all the cool stuff that I learned at the field trip, and I will see you on Monday. Don't forget to turn in this thing, okay? Love you, okay, bye.